heading to do a service call right now. It's got the symptoms for it. It's the thermostat screen's blank, and when I asked the customers if they put batteries in, they had, but the system's still not coming on, which leads me to believe is going to be a drain line float switch causing a break in the red wire. So we'll head there and see what it is. Got to the customer's house. I noticed the drain line here, the emergency float switch is full of water. So I'm going to take our nitrogen here and blow out the drain line to clear it all out, and then treat it and check the refrigerant, the coil, and the filter and everything else. Alright, I blew out the drain line. I treated the drain with this drain solve, really good stuff. You just have to be very careful with it to put it in a T, because it will eat up your evaporator coil. I'm going to just spray down the coils now. Let's treat them while I'm here. There we go. And let's go over here. The thermostat, let's put that to on. Get it blowing. And we're going to just sanitize the ductwork a little. We have this deodorant sanitizer that helps disinfect and clean the ductwork. Spray a little of that in there while the fan motor's in the on position. Alrighty. I'm going to check the cap, 7.5, and go check the refrigerant, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, we're out here. As you can see, the actual subcooling, if you can see it, is at 1.4. We're trying to get it to 10, so we're going to add some refrigerant here, which I'm going to weigh in, and get it up to 10, and she should be good to go. Alright, we're all set with that call. Took about 45 minutes or so, but got the drain unplugged, checked the refrigerant with my new field piece digital gauges. It was low on subcoolant, so I got that up properly, just about a pound of refrigerant. It took, checked all the capacitors, they were good to go, and the drain was flowing great by the time I left, so another satisfied customer.